All right, so welcome to another brand new episode of Live Forex Trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome to another brand new episode, guys. This is the Thursday, one of the high volume days in the week. This is the 21st of October, and pound yen's been pretty bearish. Today's price action, bearish. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the system for the first few minutes and check. System 1 2 1 2 1 2 2. All right. So good night. So at this point in time, we're gonna break down pound yen from a daily to 4-hour to all the lower time frame perspective. Pound yen, daily candle hasn't broken the previous daily candle's low, but is deeply bearish right now, potentially retesting and grabbing liquidity at the bottom before pushing up. We do have a lot of clear targets on the upside, so pound yen is very interesting right now. So Thursday volume has been mostly bearish. So what we want to see is, at this point in time, anybody looking for a buy would love to see a 4-hour support or a rejection at the bottom. And for sales, we'll definitely look at the traffic and obviously try and see what's happening, right? So look at this. So the previous 4-hour candle actually closed below the support area with a wick at the downside, showing signs of bearish continuation. And this current 4-hour candle did make a top wick and started pushing down. So that was one of the trades. Obviously, we are just appearing in the market right now, and obviously we want to see what's going to happen next. And obviously this price action is very interesting because this is the same area from where yesterday New York market started pushing up, right? So the New York market started pushing up from here, from this area. Now we are around the same vicinity right now. So we love to see if the candles are going to reject this area, or are we actually going to attack this wick and we're going to break this 4-hour support. At this point in time, we are very close to this 157, 170 sort of a 4-hour support area. And yeah, that's pretty much it about that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this level. I'm going to keep this most recently broken support area, another recently broken support area, and I'm going to keep these levels as a target on the downside. So looking at the 2-hour time frame here, it's pretty solid. This 2-hour candle closed below with a wick at the bottom, just like the 4-hour candle. The next 2-hour candle did a retest, rejecting 157.670 at this point in time. All these liquidity on the top, or this wick on the top, all these orders must go somewhere, right? So at this point in time, what I'm looking into is, if sales are coming in this 2-hour clear traffic on the left hand side, obviously price did have a little bit of hard time moving on this sort of a range. But if we are pushing down, I would love to see a resistance. So this 2-hour candle is going to close in the next 17 minutes, as well as 1-hour candle. That's very interesting. So if candles are to push down, it's rejecting 157, 170, which is not a good sign. But if we are to push down, there is a resistance somewhere around here, and candles are breaking low, so which is good. So I would want to see a hourly candle close below, I would say 157 210 to take a clear sell on a hourly sort of perspective. Right, so on the other hand, we are very close to this 4-hour support area, so I wouldn't want to sell exactly at a 4-hour support area. So maybe sells below 157, 170 may be the trade of the day here. That could be the trade of the day. Or if the candle starts rejecting the bottom and starts pushing up, what we can also notice is the rejection. The major key rejections are getting higher and higher and higher. So if GJ is finally about to move up, the rejection is noted. So what do we need to see? We have seen a 2-hour support already. Maybe a confident candle or confident bullish closer will be a better idea. Buys right now, well, maybe no, not yet, right? So I have to wait. Definitely have to wait. Or else buys above 157.670 does look clear. 157,670. Yeah, that could be the case. That could be the case. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm looking for sales below 157, 170. 70 and yeah, buys above 157, 670. All right, go. Going to set some alerts here, and that would be nice. Trying to set up my alert. Trying to set up my alert. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I'm going to note down key areas here. So 157, 1. See. To 10. All right, so we are waiting. Just waiting here. Just waiting and waiting. All right. Four, 5. Okay. All right, so let's look at gold again at the same time. Gold weekly candle pretty bullish. We do have a wick at the on the left hand side to be filled, and weekly candle is filling that wick Daily candle also looks pretty bullish. Previous daily candles, two bullish candles showing support and higher, well, I would say higher highs and higher lows, sort of a candle formation. Even today's daily candle has made a higher low and a higher high. At this point in time, we do have a clear patch of traffic on the left hand side in about 92 pips, so we can move through that traffic, obviously. And yeah, it's getting interesting here. Gold is also getting interesting. So on a 4-hour sort of a time frame, we do have a recently broken resistance area that is acting as a support. We can see the support right there. Candles are rejecting that support and printing bullish, right? So it's actually finishing bullish. Actually, the candles are rangy right now, particularly on a 4-hour. It's printing side by side, especially because of the fact that we have unemployment claims here. 11:30, that's 30 minutes after the market open. We have unemployment claims. That's going to be something interesting to look into, unemployment claims. And yeah, gold right now is super rangy on a 4-hour. If I'm looking for sells, I'll be looking for sells below 1780, 160, below this area. Yeah, if I'm looking for sells, be interesting. Interesting. This is the no trade range for gold right here. I mean, this is like a no man's land. No man's land. And we are waiting here. We are just waiting, patiently waiting. And yeah. All right. Patiently waiting. All right, just give me a second. Just in. All right. So on YouTube, the 100 is asking a question saying, do your entries and setup work on all pairs since you trade price action candles with no indicators? So is just backtesting one pair enough? Yes. If you learn price action, I mean, everything moves with price action, right? So if it's a stock, it moves with price action. Auto flow, if it's a cryptocurrency, no matter what it is, it moves with price action. So if you learn price action, if you learn about market session, volume time, and the usual price action of a pair, I mean, it's particularly enough for one pair, right? So if I know price action of GJ, the most usual price action of GJ around NY session, I do know price action, and that's what I capitalize off of. It's not just one setup, but it's the price action you want to learn, and backtesting one pair is enough for that particular pair. Yes, if I backtest GJ, if I practice price action of GJ, I mean, yeah, that's enough for GJ, right? And similar to gold. So that's it. Pretty simple. I'm just here, guys. I'm just trying to do a little bit of side thing here. Just give me a second, but I'm still here. I will be answering questions, and obviously we are waiting. So, yeah, interesting enough. Hi. All right, so on YouTube, Yunus Sharaf is saying, do you think about selling gold on the next 15-minute candle after it breaks the low of the 15-minute candle? Fill in the lower wick, thanks. Yes! I'm actually looking into it. My alert just got hit and I unmuted myself. It's actually looking good, but the only thing is gold has been ranging pretty hard over here, right? And the most recent price action is a bullish price action and making support. You know, candles do have clear traffic on the upside. Yeah, sales also do look good. But I think the main attraction is going to be unemployment change here. Yeah, I mean, on the break of the 15-minute candles low, that could be one of the entries right there. Oh, dun, dun. Pound yen is retracing pretty hard. Tracing pretty hard. Pretty harda. Alrighty. 4-hour candles doing something similar like yesterday. Yeah, this is what I'm anticipating, right? So pound yen is more than likely going to be bullish. Pound yen is more than likely going to be bullish because it's around the same liquidity area as before. And the rejections are higher, simply higher, you know. So where is gold going to go? Where is pound yen going to go? Well, unemployment change is going to be the ultimate factor, ultimate volume driving factor for gold. But yeah, pound yen looks like bullish. Honestly, on a 4-hour perspective, a pound yen looks like bullish. All right, so on YouTube,
No,
100.
how are you?
Sabine, how's it going?
Yeah, good. Take one GA sale on agent session and good time with triple dojo after 3 o'clock.
Oh, wow. Good. Very nice. All right, so on YouTube, the 100 is saying, what if I want to trade only gold and GJ? Would just backtesting on GJ only be enough for 5 different setup and entries since it's price action? Yeah, I mean, you can learn price action. But to be honest, if you are planning to trade gold, man, you have to backtest gold alone. GJ is not going to help you entirely on gold, but hey, it's going to help you 100%. All right, so this is what I'm going to do right now. So getting ready for gold sales here on the break of the candles low. I'm going to take a sell. This candle needs to reject the top and take a sell. That's it.
If in 5-minute candle, if the gold make a support, that's gonna be very good, right? Support and start moving down.
Resistance, Sabine.
Resistance, yeah. Sorry.
Come on, Sabine. You don't want to see support. Okay.
Support only for bullish, right?
Yep. Beautiful. The 15-minute retest is actually looking pretty good. 15-minute candle needs to flip. Bearish. All right, so pound yen is pushing. Beautiful. Pound yen is going to be a buy here. Mr. Pound yen is going to buy. I'm thinking about a buy here in pound yen. Thinking about a buy.
After reach this level, yesterday also GJ move up and coming down again. Maybe it's gonna do the same thing today also.
GJ, looking for
Yep.
sell?
Sell or buy?
Are you looking
Buy.
for sell or buy?
Buy.
Yep, I'm looking for buy too, Sabine. Yeah, exactly. Like yesterday. Similar to
Yep.
yesterday. Wow, we are pushing up here. Beautiful.
In 15-minute time, the previous candle is rejecting the down, right? Rejecting with a long wick.
Yep, true, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the position was right here. Right here.
Yeah.
Obviously missed it, but yeah. Okay, 15-minute candle is rejecting the top. Rejecting top. Gold is looking good as well. Gold is very good. Right. Oh, wow. It is pushing up. Nice. Yeah, we are pushing up here. Oh, beautiful. Gold is dropping. Nice. Just need to break the low now. Need to break the low, and that'll be beautiful. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Positions got activated here.
Me also
No
just
stop.
now.
Oh, nice. All right, so at this point in time, the risk management will be to close position once it starts rejecting the bottom pretty hard. You don't want to see candles breaking the 15-minute candles high. My stop loss is above that candle. So what I'm going to do is if the candle starts going in like 7 to 8 pips in drawdown, I'll close half because I have my magic keys here, right here with me. So it's just rolling with it right now. Rolling and rolling. Ooh, oh wow. Beautiful.
Wow.
Close half right here. Close half, auto break even. Enter. Oh wow. Cool. Nice.
Okay, I close all.
Beautiful. Trade.
Very good trade in 20 seconds.
Exactly. 20-second trade, right?
Yeah.
It's dropping more. Beautiful. I close half and the half is still running. Half is still running there. Beautiful. I think I'm going to close. Ooh, it's retracing. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Just need some volume here. Pre-New York volume. $17. Pretty. Oh, wow.
From Magic Key, you can just close the position in one button, right? Just one click.
Yeah, 1 second. Exactly.
Yeah, 1 second. That's good.
Nice. $18, $18. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, closing another
Yeah,
half
it's going
here.
down.
Closing another half right here. Bang. Beautiful.
Wow.
Ooh, we are pushing. Beautiful. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty.
Can we say that the wick on the top grab the liquidity, like we call it liquidity, right? What do you
Yeah,
call it?
exactly.
Yeah.
I'm going to close another half here. Close another half. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice trade. Really fast.
Yeah, really fast. After we take the trade, this big volume came.
Volume, exactly. Nice. Still running. Okay.
You close all position or still?
I still have it. Yeah, I still have.
Okay.
Oh, gold is retracing.
Tracing 50% of previous candle. Wow. Going up. GJ is making support. We can call it support, right? Support, yeah. In 5-minute candle, we can call support that one.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet, right?
Not a support yet. For a support, you need to see a bullish candle.
Yep.
There needs to be
After
a bullish candle.
bearish, yeah, we need to see. Yeah.
I'm
There
looking
is
for
chances of going down also, right? Because there is a wick on the top, and
on the top of.
so it's still not confirmed where it go.
Yeah, if the candle starts breaking 157,670, I think it's going to push up. So that's the anticipation. If it breaks 157,670.
670.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. 15-minute candle rejecting the top, retraced pretty hard at this point in time. 15-minute candle leaving a wick on the top. It's going to be interesting. I think candles are trying to grab some liquidity before pushing down here. Gold is moving before the news, which is pretty beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So on YouTube, the 100 is saying, is 50 trades enough for a manual backtest for around 10 different entry types? By the way, nice trade. Thank you. All right. So then 50 trades is not enough. Not at all. Is actually not enough. Honestly, not enough.
I do all setup for backtesting today afternoon, but I don't know how to do that for a different time frame, or we can do only one time frame.
Probably we can do other time frames too, Sabine. You have to ask Suraj for it. Suraj, because
Okay.
Suraj is the one who made it.
Okay. All right. Okay. No worries. You use the same one if you need, or you use the different one, paid one, different one like.
I use the paid one. I use
Yeah.
the paid one. Yeah. I don't use that, but so Sudeep.
Yeah,
Sudeep bro.
but this one is also good, I guess.
Yeah, Sudeep bro is saying it
Looks good.
works, and everybody else is saying it works, so it works.
Yeah.
Thinking about a buy in pound yen here. All right, so if this 30-minute candle breaks its own high, I might take a buy. I might take a buy. $19 minutes left for this hourly candle to close. 19.
Look like gold will give the second chance.
Yeah, I've taken
What
a
do you
second
think?
entry. Yeah, I took a second entry here.
Oh, already? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, right
Wh-
here,
where's- Where?
here.
Okay. Wow.
On the retracement.
That's good.
Oh wow, pound yen is pushing up here. Beautiful. Pound yen is pushing up. Beautiful, beautiful. I've taken a pound yen buy right here. Pound yen buy.
Also planning to take, but after after when it break the body of previous candle,
Yeah.
15-minute candle.
Oh, beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, moving. Yeah, moving.
Beautiful. We are 13 minutes away from market open. 13 minutes. Only 13 minutes. All right, so GJ is looking pretty good. GJ is looking pretty good. So the reasoning
Okay.
behind my trade was
I'm
there
also
was
in position just
oh,
now.
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I was there was a fake out at the bottom. Price started rejecting the bottom. Started making high highs, high lows, clear traffic on the left hand side. This candle rejected the bottom before pushing up. I was waiting for the candle to break its own high. It broke its high. I took the position. On a 5-minute, there was a support as well, so supporting my idea. At this point in time, we'll be securing half around 10 pips, and we'll let the rest of the half run. So the risk management will be one of the best risk management here. Would be to close half of the position if candle starts breaking its own low, even 5-minute, because you don't want to see that. You want to see candle continuation. Obviously, we are very close to New York market open. This is the pre-New York. There could be a retracement around market open time or a few minutes before the market open. So want to be careful, and we don't want to be a part of that retracement. The analysis could be correct, but we don't want to be a part of that retracement. All right, so at this point in time, it's looking very nice, especially on a 30-minute time frame. Pound yen looking very, very nice. Let's see. Beautiful. All right. Previous 5-minute candle closed bullish, which is a good sign. Close with a wick at the top, showing signs of continuation here. If the candles are to continue, this is the exact sign we need, and that's what's happening right now. So I will be closing half once I hit that 10 pips mark. Right now, I'm in 4 pips. 4.5. Beautiful. 4.5 pips in profit. Let's see. Beautiful. Or on YouTube, the 100 is saying, how many times did you backtest each of your setups and entries on each pair before you traded live? Because more than 50 trades would take me almost half a year only backtesting. Well, oh, you're talking about 50 live trading, are you? If you're talking about 50 live trading, man, 50 live trading is nothing. You have to trade for at least a year to be experienced in the live market. At least a year. A year is less. That's what I can say, right? At least a year. And if you're talking about off-screen live testing, man, if you're talking about off-screen back testing, just back test as many times as you can, until you perfect your technique, right? Until you perfect your setup. That's what I'm going to say. Oh, we are shooting here. Nice.
Losing 50%.
Did you close 50% already?
Yep.
Beautiful. Good. Our pound yen is having a little bit of hard time. We are only 7 minutes away from the market open. We don't want to see a retracement. I think there's going to be a retracement. If the candle starts retracing, I might close this position and take an entry later once price starts breaking 157,670. So what I'm telling to myself is, I took an entry according to my price action reading, which is amazing, but I shouldn't be hesitating on being okay about exit. That's one of the best things I've learned over time. Your entry and your exit should be fully controlled. So that's why I'm keeping my fingers on my magic keys. If the candle starts retracing, I will close full. If the candle starts pushing, I might close half, because I know there's going to be a retracement. That's something that we've seen in the past several times. So retracement is expected. Beautiful.
Wow, moving up.
Yep, beautiful. Beauty. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Ooh.
Wow.
All right. Close half right here. Stop loss a break even.
Yeah, I'll just put my stop loss on break even. Let's see. Modify.
Oh, wow. They're pushing. Beautiful. I'm going to close another half too here. Right here. Close another half. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, I close my all position.
Oh, nice. On YouTube, Raju Chacha is saying, hey, bro. Hey, hey, hey. How's it going? All right. So gold is dumping. Pound yen is pumping. Oh, wow. 11 pips here. Nice.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, gold's going to dump here. Oh, wow. Oh, 12 pips here. Beautiful. So on YouTube, Raju Chacha is saying, a good trade, bro. Well done. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I hope you caught it as well. That was actually a fairly easy trade, to be honest. All right, 13 pips. Oh, beautiful. It's starting to push here. Nice. Oh, wow.
Move like a gold. Move like a gold.
Yeah. it's moving like gold. That's right. That's actually true. Oh, look at gold here. Nice.
Wow.
Oh, are dropping
Look like
here.
more.
Oh, 18 pips here. Pound yen, 18 pips. Oh, we are pushing. Beautiful. Well, we are moving. We are moving everywhere. All right, this is the market open right here. This is the market open. Previous 1 hour candle in gold closed bearish with a wick at the bottom showing more signs of continuation. More than likely, gold is going to dump. Looking at the previous 1 hour candle, if gold is to dump, there is a right situation there. And if pound yen is to push up, it has finally closed above 157,670. If this current hourly candle is to make a low wick and then stop breaking the candle's high, it's going to push even higher. So what I'm thinking about is I'm thinking about a next buying opportunity. If I am to buy, I probably am going to buy above this candle's high, but maybe after unemployment claims. Because more than likely the volume is going to shoot or volume is going to appear only after that time. So waiting here. Waiting to see if I can get another opportunity. Now, if this hourly candle starts flipping at this point in time and starts breaking the previous candle's high, I will definitely take a buy. Definitely take a buy. Waiting here. Just waiting. Patiently waiting. Or on YouTube, Raju Chacha is saying, how much capital do you use? That question is not going to help you, man. You got to ask something that's going to help you. Me using some dollar is not going to help you. That is not going to help you. The right question will be, well, I use this much percentage of my account, and it has been working, or it has not been working. What should I do correct? What should I be looking at? How do I actually scale my account? You shouldn't care about what size is my account or how do I actually scale my account, right? It's not going to help you particularly. So if you want to get help, you got to ask the right questions. Never ever ask somebody how much capital they use. It's not going to help you. Well, I can tell you, I can show you my capital, but is that going to help you? Maybe no. All right, gold is dumping here. Beautiful. Are beautiful. The hourly candle did make a low wick at this point in time. If this hourly candle is to flip bullish and then stop breaking the previous candle's high, I am going to take a buy. I'm going to scale into buys today. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's going to take some time. Pound yen, I think it's going to take some time before moving up. That's what I think. Yeah. Pound yen is going to take some time before pushing up here. I mean, it's good. The longer it takes, the stronger the break's going to be. So, which is still pretty good. On YouTube, Ananda is saying good morning. Good morning, Ananda. Basically, Ananda means relax. If you guys don't know the meaning of Ananda. Ananda.
Ananda means relax, right?
Yeah.
Ananda is different, isn't it?
Exactly. Anand. Yep. It means blessedness, bliss. Beautiful. Gold is retracing, which is a good sign as well. Obviously, we have only recently broken below this range, and if the price is to retest that broken area, it might push even lower. That's one of the ideas. Obviously, gold is going to react to unemployment claims in the next 21 minutes. So it's very interesting in the next 21 minutes to see what's going to happen exactly. Pound yen, Mr. Pound yen, I'm waiting for buys above the break of the high. All right, on YouTube, Ananda is saying, haha, exactly. It means deep happiness. I'm not from India, but I have an Indian name. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do. It's a Hindu name, and we do understand some of the Sanskrit word. You know, it's kind of origin from our country. It's Sanskrit. So yeah. Also on YouTube, Raju Chacha says, "Bro, do you have my FX book?" No, I don't. I don't have an FX book, but I do have my self journal. I journal every single thing. I journal every single thing. Whether I have a loss, whether I have a win, I journal every single thing, and I do have a backtrack of these journaling in our group. So we got a group here, a small group where I mentor some of the guys. I teach them stuffs I know, and we talk about different ideas. We share ideas and tools. We have tools from everywhere, and we share it, you know. And yeah, Roger Chacha is saying, "Do you use Trixie?" No, unfortunately, I don't. I don't use Trixie. I guess I don't have a lot of time to do that. Don't have a lot of time at the side, you know. Got to take care of myself, and there's more important things to do in life than just doing Trixie.
What is Trixie? I don't know that.
Trixie is like Trading View, but it's like a trading journal book. It's where you journal. I'm a simple man. All right, so we are retracing. We are retracing. All right, so I will be back. I will be back. Until then, you guys just hang around. I'll be back, Sabine. If the guys come in, just let them know I'm here, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we again. All right, so we are exactly 10 minutes away from the market open. 10 minutes away from the market open. At this point in time, actually not the market open, 10 minutes away from the news event, unemployment claims. And unemployment claims have been, it has been bringing a lot of volume in gold recently. Unemployment claim comes in and we start pushing pretty hard. So if that's the case today, yeah, waiting to see if we're going to break 1787.65 or we're going to reverse down below 1775 flat. If it's going to reverse down, well, it's a good sign. If it's going to move up, there's a liquidity grab happening at the bottom. We have capitalized off of the move already, and it's just running at this point in time. So pretty cool about it. But if we're going to get some buys with unemployment claim volume, we might catch it. So being ready for
Gold and USD is correlated, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if the USD is getting stronger, gold drops. And if USD is weaker, gold pumps up most of the times.
So unemployment claim means it's bad for currency. That means gold may go down.
Yeah, they're expecting bad numbers out of unemployment claim, right? They're expecting bad numbers. So if bad numbers are exactly released, gold up, USD might push down and gold might push up. If it's pushing up, it kind of makes sense because look at the wick at the bottom right now. The wick at the bottom is pretty long, right? More than likely, it's going to push up. If it's pushing up, we will catch the move. All right, so on YouTube, Yunus Sharaf is saying, can you please show us how to bring that watch list on the right on Trading View? I think it's pretty easy. You just click this button right here. You just click this button right here. Bang, bang, bang. And you save the currencies you want to save. 6 minutes away from the news event. 6 minutes away. Eunice is saying, thanks a lot. No worries. No worries. Be happy. Be happy now. Ooh. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every single thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
You participate in singing program in your school when you were in school?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was singing a lot in school, in high school, in college, everywhere.
Wow, GG 15-minute candle is so long.
GG
Wow.
15. Yeah, GG is flipping back. It's doing some backflip here. It's doing some backflip and diving, everything. Oh, wow.
JJ is jumping from 6th floor.
Diving from the 6th floor, exactly. Yeah. 3 minutes away from the market open. 3 minutes away. All right, so 20 seconds away from the unemployment claims. This is getting interesting here. It's getting more interesting. All right. All right, unemployment claims and gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Unemployment claims. What are the numbers? Unemployment claims. This is the first few seconds of news release. We haven't seen any. We haven't seen a lot of side effect. A lot of volatility. Yeah. Okay. Now the volume is kicking in. Nice. Nice. Let's look at the number. Number. All right, so the numbers turn out to be good. All right, so it's actually good. Yeah, it's less than expected, better than before. It's better than before. 3,000 less claims. Okay, so gold should be pushing down. Right, gold should be pushing down. All right, pound yen is still bouncing off of the support here. We are ranging side by side. So this is simply a range from here to here, a simple range for candles to push down. We want to see a clear break below 157, 170 or a clear break above 157, 670. So waiting at this point of time. If this hourly candle flips bullish, we could push up in this clear traffic. So waiting. First 2 minutes of the news release. I haven't seen a lot of action here. Still waiting. And wait. Waiting. Also on YouTube, Jonas is saying, will you be until NYSE open? That depends. It definitely depends. If I feel like I'm going to call it a day, I can call it a day anytime. I'm just waiting for this gold sell. If gold's actually going to push down, I'm waiting for that. Yeah, that's it. Right, taking the trade already for the day. I mean, should be pretty good. Should be pretty good even if I call it a day. I'm just here so that I can experience the price action and just chilling at this point in time. And I really don't have nothing to do except for sleep. So yeah, Just hanging around. Hanging around. All right, we are still hanging around. Gold has retraced pretty heavy. So the trade was a 15-minute candle structured trade here, a selling trade after the candle rejected the top. It was pretty good, this trade right here. All right, so I want Sabine to journal this trade. Sabine.
Yep.
I want you to journal this and post it in our journal. I want you to practice more journaling, you know?
Yeah. Okay.
More journaling, and yeah, that should be good. Just journal it in nice colors, you know, write down text, number one, number two, note down what was happening around this trade. Was it New York volume, pre-New York volume? What was the volume? What was the structure? Broke support? You have to explain, and I'll tell you if that's good. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Good. I'm a vaccine tomorrow.
Second dose?
Yes, sir. All right, gold is retracing. All right, so on YouTube, Nishu Gautam is saying hi. Hi, Nishu. Hello. All right, so Eunice is saying here in UK they're thinking about a third dose. Yeah, that's what they're talking about here in Australia as well. They're talking about the third booster dose, isn't it, Sabine?
Yeah, booster. Yeah, right. Booster or something like that. But it's still not started.
Yeah. Up here. This is 15 minutes after the news release, and we are coming back in this range in gold. Gold is coming back in the range. Right. All right, so we got the first chart of the day. Nishu has sent a chart. Let's just have a look at Nishu's chart and let's see what he's talking about. This is Nishu's chart. He's looking at buy above this area, sells below this area. Yeah, pretty simple. Nice and simple idea, Nishu. Very simple. I don't see anything else except for buys and sells, so it's very simple, very nice. I can say, right? That's all. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I can say. That's all I can say. All right, now we just jamming because it's too boring now. All right, so on YouTube, Ananda is saying, "Got your first CD on the way. Can be uplifting FX music." All right, that's actually pretty cool, huh? Good idea. There could be a market for FX music. All right, and only FX fan, man. That's gonna fail miserably. That's gonna fail miserably. All right, so we are starting to drop in pound yen, and gold is pumping up here. Gold is pumping. All right. All right, all right, all right. Nice. So the 4-hour candle in pound yen looks very nice, to be honest, for sell. 4-hour candle looks very nice. If this 4-hour candle could close bearish below 157.710, we might push even lower. At this point in time, if I'm actually looking for a proper entry, what I'll be looking for is candles to close below 4-hour support, and the next candle to make a top wick before pushing down. It looks like you can actually push down in a very impulsive manner here. But yeah, that's the case right now. That is the case. 5 minutes left for the candles to close, and if the 30-minute candle closes with the wick at the bottom around 157.710, we might push down, and that could be the final trade of the day if I'm taking final trade. Yep, my alert just got hit. Just got hit. Just got. Baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Ooh, baby, baby. Baby. Hey. Oh. Baby. All right, gold is starting to push down here. Nice.
Do you have a rectangle in the trading view?
Rectangle?
Yep.
Yes.
What is that? Right there. Okay.
You have rectangle here. Not here. Hold on. Right here. Rectangle.
Okay.
If you click on the favorite,
Yep.
click on the favorite, it's going to stay here like this.
Yep. 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 I get
Yeah.
it. Thank you.
Hey, go check in the top one more time. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. All right, UK it's dropped. It just is dropping, so be pumping up. See. All right, so the previous 2-hour candle in gold closed bearish, but above 1781.62, showing some heavy rejection at the bottom. More than likely, gold could actually just range here. It's a no trade range, this one. No trade range. Yeah, pound yen 4-hour candle closed bearish below the 4-hour support, showing signs of continuation on the downside. There is a 4-hour support right here. But if this 4-hour candle makes a top wick and then starts driving down, it kind of makes sense to take a sell. We will see. 1-hour candle closed bearish with a wick at the bottom. Yeah. Think signals. All right. Is pushing down again. All right, so we got a chart from Sabine here. Sabine has sent a gold chart. Gold, gold, gold. Okay, Sabine needs to point out number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Need to point out the ideas from 1 to whatever that is. Okay, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Beautiful.
It's good to point out, right? Yeah. Okay.
Good. I think actually very nice. Consolidation for almost long time, so there's no pressure from somewhere. 5-minute can retracing. Beautiful. Had long wick and retest the resistance. Now support. This is a support, Sabine. This is a support that it retested. A broken support got retested and it pushed down. Oh, this is a support, Sabine. You're mixing up support and resistance.
Yeah.
Our support is like a support to push up. Resistance is like somebody is resisting you. You know, it's like a resistance band, not letting you go away. So support is just pushing the price up. Resistance is a rejection level on the top. All right. Now at this point in time, looks like pound yen is pushing down. Gold, just rangy. Let's look at pound yen here. Nice. Very nice. All right, so the 15-minute candle is about to close in the next 6 minutes. In the next 6 minutes. Wow. Gold is pushing up again. All right, we are starting to push here. Beautiful. Starting to push in pound yen. Very nice. Waiting for 2 minutes. Looks like it could actually push down without giving any confirmation here. Ooh, they are pushing down. Nice.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
pushing
pushing down.
down.
Beautiful. It's pushing down without any confirmation here. All right, if this 15-minute candle, the real question is, if this 15-minute candle closes below 157, 170, there's a very high chance for the candles to push down, but the candles have to close below. 15-minute candle has to close below. Let's see. Oh, wow. Nice. Our pound yen 15-minute candle closed bearish below 157, 170. Yeah. Also below this support area right to the left hand side, and it's very bearish at this point of time. Bearish. So 30-minute candle is going to close in the next 14 minutes, but again on the 15-minute time frame, it's starting to push down, breaking the low. It's going to more than likely push down. Pound yen more than likely is going to push down. The 15-minute candle hasn't made a decent top wick, but yeah, looks like the volume is just pushing the candles down here. No time to make the top wick. Very interesting here.
But left side is not so good, right? So like consolidation.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of consolidation here. Not the best price action.
I think this was the last Friday. Friday, 19, Thursday. No, where is this? No.
Probably Monday. 19.
Yeah,
or
right.
Tuesday.
Monday.
Yeah, Monday,
18
Tuesday.
is Monday.
Exactly. Days and Tuesday's price action. All right. Nice. It's starting to break the low here. It's just that it hasn't made a decent top wick. If it would have rejected 157, 170 one more time, I would have placed a stop loss somewhere around here, and that would have been the best. But if I take a trade right now, where do I keep my stop loss, right? In between the range, well, that could be, but yeah, it's just having a little bit of a hard time here. More than likely, it's going to push down. It's a bearish sentiment right now, but it hasn't given me that decent entry. Hasn't decent entry. Yeah, we're pushing down here. Beautiful. Nice.
If NYSE push the candle more down, then the trade below 156 637 is good, right?
Yeah, there is some clear traffic on the left hand side. I think tomorrow Asian session is going to be nice. Asian session is going to be a lot of moving tomorrow morning. Asian session is going to move, likely. Unemployment claim. All right, so we had the FOMC meeting. Oh, okay. Tomorrow is going to be a good day. Tomorrow. All right, so the guys in the YouTube, I'm going to call it a day. I will see you guys probably tomorrow. So only for the guys in the YouTube, we're going to hang around in my group and we're going to talk about some ideas. But hey, guys, take care. Have a beautiful, beautiful night here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till NYSE. Let's just wait for NYSE. We will wait for NYSE. How about that? Oh, shit. Oh. All right, so on YouTube, Anand is saying, how does your private group work? I mean, yeah, so we got a server and we got all of our resources, tools, and contents over there. Basically the course as well. So I've got a small bit of course, a basic crash course for beginner traders and some advanced ideas as well. A lot of case studies in the and yeah, so people who want to join in, they basically get through that. There's a website in the description and that's how it works. For now, it's lifetime membership. Probably I'll remove the lifetime membership next year, and it's going to be probably, I don't know, a monthly based service or something. For now, it's a lifetime membership only for a limited number of people, and that's what's happening. That's what's happening. And I'm coaching people live. So all right, so it looks like pound yen is gonna move down here. On the break of the low, it looks like it could push down. Beautiful, it's pushing down here. Nice. So the NYSE volume coming in the next 8 minutes. Interesting. Interesting. 6 more minutes left for the NYS. All right, so here's the thing. If this 30-minute candle, the final question, the real question is, if this 30-minute candle could close bearish below 157, 170, the next 30-minute candle, if it makes a top wick, starts flipping bearish, that could be one of the points where I'm going to take a sell. Until then, I'm waiting here. So waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, or waiting for the next 4 minutes. That's what I'm waiting for. Our
If this candle, if this candle just close above this high, above 157, 170,
yep,
then what's happened? It's high chance to go up.
To say that it's gonna go up from here, it's very unlikely, especially because the most recent candles rejecting the top, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and it's kind of making resistance on smaller time frame. It's making resistance, breaking support, right? So we can't really say if it's gonna go up from here unless we see a lot of volume and a lot of heavy rejection. So we can't really say if it's gonna go up right away. Now it's starting to push down already, so looks like it's gonna just move down. Beautiful. 4 minutes before the market open, before the NYSE open, I think it's gonna push down. Yeah, it's just pushing down here.
GJ making M, eh?
DJ?
Look like an M, yeah.
Oh,
Alphabet
yeah.
M.
Oh, it looks like an M, yeah. A capital letter M.
Yeah. Now it's try to break this M.
Waiting for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. One more minute. So on YouTube, Giant Patel is saying, would you consider a buy on the break of the previous buy on the break of the bearish 50-minute high wick back in the range? It is as it is currently rejecting the previous daily low. Maybe no. Well, that idea suits more of a swing trade, and I'm not sure how that's going to help entirely right now in this situation, especially because New York's price action was sort of like grabbing liquidity on the top, then pushing down. More than likely, NYSE is going to do something similar, grabbing liquidity, then pushing even further down. Look for buy. I was looking for buy around London session, but right now there's not much buying happening. Alright, so 30-minute candle closed bearish. The next 30-minute candle breaking the low, pushing down already. So yeah, that was a sell below 157, 170. Beautiful. Didn't even do any retest. NYSE volume more than likely is going to drive it even lower. So that's what's happening right now. We are just pushing lower and lower. Nice. Very nice.
In high volume time, there is always high spread, right?
No, there's less spread.
Less spread in high volume.
Yeah, high volume, less spread, high volatility, high spread. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh shit.
I thought you do a lot of exercise today.
Yeah. A lot of exercise.
Your body should be warm.
Exactly, but I took a cold shower, very cold shower.
Okay. That's the reason.
Very, very cold shower, like an icy cold shower, you know? Beautiful. Yeah, it's pushing down. I think pound yen's going to push a little bit more lower with the NYSE volume. There isn't any retest, which is just funny, because if there's no retest, no trade for me. If anybody took a sell on the break of this 15-minute candle's low, that did work out in about 14 to 16 pips. Managed to secure that. Amazing. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a day here. So you guys have a beautiful day and beautiful time wherever you guys are, and we're going to meet one more time tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be the day. Okay? Tomorrow's going to be the day.
And one question.
Yes.
In the GJ, at the moment, where is the best place to sell? Not now, just before.
Before the best place to sell was below 157, 170, Sabine. That was the 4-hour support. So below 4-hour support. Obviously, candles closed below. 1 15-minute candle closed below, making it more, making our bias more stronger. The next 15-minute candle did reject the top, but not decently. So that was just not my entry type, you know. And one of the best place to sell was right here, on the break of this candle's low. Bang.
Okay.
The only thing was the stop loss would be too tight. Too tight. Right? So we'd love to see a deeper retest, and that didn't happen. Deeper retest didn't happen. Didn't take the trade. Pretty simple. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Rejecting the bottom one more time. GJ, all right. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a day here now. Don't waste all of your life, all of your time on chart. Make sure you have some off time as well, because you want to control your chart time as well, right? So have a beautiful time. Until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.
Hey.